Providing food for the young turkeys plays a crucial role in their development. To ensure healthy growth, the use of high-quality and nutritionally balanced feed is undeniable. Additionally, maintaining a clean water supply, provided continuously, is equally important. On the farm, there are two feeding stages for turkeys, with young chicks and the brooder having finely ground feed when they are small, and then transitioning to a coarser texture as they grow. They always have access to food through automatic feeders. On average, it takes about 80 pounds of feed to raise a male turkey weighing over 30 pounds before it is sent for processing. Did you know that the United States is the world's largest producer and exporter of turkey, and the second largest consumer of turkey products, trailing only Israel? According to the latest data from the U.S. Department of Agriculture, the turkey farming industry was valued at over $5.8 billion in 2021, reducing a total of 7.18 billion pounds of meat, with 216 million individual poultry raised in the United States. The turkey industry provides 386 million pounds of meat. There are so many types of ice cream here that just looking at them makes you feel freezing cold. The automated potato packing assembly line is designed for our channel subscribers. A pancake making machine with a capacity of up to 9,000 pancakes per hour. This fish cake production line is incredibly perfect. You just need to fry and enjoy. Decorating bacon cakes has never been easier. This automated packaging system with temperature control and precise packaging mechanisms ensures careful and efficient packaging for the new vegan frosting without spills or damage to the packaging. Any pastry chef should equip their shop with machinery that can meet all the requirements for shaping bread. This is a profitable option for pastry shops and bakeries. Perfect for small and medium-sized entrepreneurs developing production. London Yeki is made from honey, eggs and light white bean powder, providing an unforgettable taste. Explore the creation of handmade Swiss chocolate by the Canonica chocolate manufacturers. Fully automated line for fresh pasteteuves. Biscuits to cakes and sandwiches. This helps meet diverse market needs and optimize production processes. Donuts with smooth dough are not only an attractive dessert but also a creative work of art in the culinary world. With a smooth layer of dough covering the outside, the donuts become more attractive than ever. In particular, the softness and lightness of the dough makes each piece of cake more special and enjoyable than ever. Discovering each piece of cake with its smooth layer of dough, you will feel the smoothness and blend of sweetness, fat and mild spicy taste. This is not only a culinary experience but also a journey of discovering surprising flavors. With a delicate combination of ingredients and processing techniques, the donuts with smooth dough are iconic of creativity and originality in the art of cooking. Looking at cheese production lines with the Vimag system, you cannot help but be impressed by the complete automation and precision in every step. Each cheese ball is created evenly and uniformly, ensuring the quality of the final product. The flexibility of the Vimag system allows the production of many different types of cheese, from soft cheese to hard cheese, from cheese bars to cheese cubes. This helps meet the diverse needs of the market and brings rich choices to consumers. Industrial production of plant-based nuggets is an important process in the plant food industry, playing an important role in providing balance to nutritious food options for consumers. The process of producing plant-based nuggets usually begins with the selection of high-quality plant ingredients such as grains, seeds, almonds, or seeds. Then this ingredient is pureed and processed to create nuggets. Producing pizza dough is a complex but fascinating process, requiring a high level of technique and expertise to create a final product with perfect elasticity, softness, and flavor. The production process begins with a selection of high-quality ingredients such as flour, water, salt, and yeast. Then the ingredients are combined and mixed to form a dough mixture, which is then incubated and soaked for a certain time to allow the yeast to become active.